front of me is TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then tap on the icon of it at the top. Select floating window and enjoy using your app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the bottom and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. If you want to use it in full screen view, click at the bottom left corner. To close it completely, click at the bottom right one. To use more options of floating window, you can also click on the same three dots you used to move your window by clicking on them and checking out all of those options. You can hit rotate to change orientation of your app. Select fold to minimize it and then access it by clicking on the bubble. By tapping on apps though, you can switch your currently used app in this window by clicking on any other one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!